Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger black screen issue. If your Messenger appears to be a black screen and you really don't like that, then keep watching the video till the end since we'll be teaching you how to remove black screen from your Messenger app. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's jump right into the video. If you're seeing black screen on your Facebook Messenger application, then you might have enabled the dark mode on your Messenger application. In order to correct that, go and tap on your profile icon at the upper left-hand corner from the main chat screen. Soon after you do that, you should see a dark mode option right beneath your profile. Give it a tap and tap on the off button. As you can see that my dark screen on Messenger has now been turned to white. The Messenger's dark mode turns the background from white to black. In low light circumstances, it might assist decrease glare from your smartphone. That is how you can easily fix your black screen issue on Messenger. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.